Welcome to the video, guys. A quick disclaimer: if you want to not get manipulated in the market by market makers, watch the video full. I will explain my whole strategy, how I avoid the traps by market makers. Many people will look for the chart patterns and trade, right? They will look for double tops and double bottoms like this and trade. What happens is there is the liquidity on the both sides of the pattern, on the high of the pattern, on the low of the pattern. What is liquidity? Liquidity means the resting buy and sell orders. Liquidity means the resting of buy and sell orders on the top of the chart pattern and the low of the chart pattern. The market maker intentionally take this liquidity, they will give a fake out and they will trap all the buyers here and they will move in the real direction. This is what happens. This is why the chart patterns won't work. They have very low win rate. I will show you the exact strategy how to avoid these traps, how to know whether it's a true structure point or the fake out which is intentionally being made by the market makers. I will show how the market makers manipulate the markets. No structure will work, no chart patterns will work. December, right? December. Let me move to this chart. December. I think it's not available here. Yeah. Can you see here? Let me turn on the session breaks. Can you see how the market is moving? This is the liquidity sweep and this is another liquidity sweep. This is another liquidity sweep. Can you see? Do you know how the smart money people will take the trade? They will take the trade after this break of the structure. They will create this order block and they will enter here and they will target this high. This is all fake. This is what banks don't want to know us. I will show how to trade against these traps, all type of traps, all type of. I have a lot of information to tell you. I will make a series and explain it. Can you see? After taking this buy side liquidity, it's buy side liquidity. Can you see this wick rejection? We take the cells here. We take the cells instantly here. We take the cells instantly here with a fixed stop loss and target this liquidity. This sell side liquidity. See, and after this market take this sell side liquidity. This sell side liquidity. Again the market reversed, right? Here we are not understanding the structure of the direction of the market by the structure. Here we are understanding the direction of the market by the type of liquidity it was taken. Okay. Here again the buy side liquidity was taken and again we are in cells here. We are in cells here. Can you see how many opportunities are there? Again here the sell side liquidity is taken, right? Again here the sell side liquidity is taken. We are in buys here and to target this buy side liquidity. And we got a scale in here. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see this liquidity graph? Small liquidity graph. Yeah. This is how the market moves. So there is no structure, no retail patterns. The market just move from one liquidity pool to another liquidity pool. That's it. Nothing complicated. See here. Again the buy side liquidity got taken. And where it sells here. Simple strategy. I use this simple strategy. 30 pips. See how again here the buy side sell side liquidity is taken. This sell side liquidity is taken and this sell side liquidity is taken and we are in buys. See, and we should target the buy side liquidity. Just buy side, nearest buy side liquidity we should target. This is how we play from one liquidity pool to another liquidity pool. There is no structure, nothing. We just play from one liquidity pool to another liquidity pool. I'm showing in the 4-hour time frame. I usually do this stuff in 1 minute time frame, so I get 100 RRs, 50 RRs like that consistently. Yeah, I will show the valid scalings. Can you see? This external liquidity is taken. We can have a scale in here. We can have two positions here because the market confirms it, because the liquidity is confirmed that the market will shock. These chart patterns are does not work like this. There are many chart patterns. I will show everything that banks who don't want to know. This is called trend line, right? Retail trend line. This is inducement of liquidity. This is build up of liquidity, and they will create a fake out and they will drop into the real direction. I will show. This is what called ICT AMD cycle. Like the banks will accumulate the orders first and they will manipulate in the one direction and they will move into the real direction. Then I will show many examples in the chart. Can you see here? I am showing in the real time, bro. I didn't showing the past stuff. See, accumulation, manipulation. See this big push. See this big push. Many retail traders will view this as a break of the structure, right? But according to us, after the buy side liquidity is taken, we look for sells, right? We look for sells, and it mitigated this imbalance here. So we sold the market here. Sold the market here and target the sell side liquidity here. See 15 RR easy, and again the same stuff, and again the same stuff. Here the buy side liquidity is taken. We are in sells here. We are in sells from this area. See, bro, how many opportunities are there in the market? I can show you everything. I can show the AMD cycles, how the market will traps. Can you see this AMD cycle here? Can you see this AMD cycle here? How the retail traders will view the structure here. I will show how the retail will view the structure. Seller, see, right? I think many of the viewers are retail trading, right? They will take these order blocks. They will take these order blocks and play, right? See how the market makers given this much fake reaction toward the downwards. This reaction is to just accumulate more sell orders to engineer more liquidity. This is the fake push created by the banks. See, and this high is induced here. This is the induced liquidity. This is also induced liquidity. See this fake push is to, this intention of the fake push is to take off all the retail traders and smart money traders who are trying to sell from this order block, right? See, after taking this liquidity, there is no reason for the market to stay there. See how aggressively it returns back to this origin. And again, the smart money will people will take buys here because they will treat this as break of the structure, and they will play this order blocks, right? They will play this order block. And again, can you see the fake manipulation push given by the market, right? We mastered this stuff, bro. Can you see the speedy reaction given by the market makers to induce more sellers into the market? This is the thing that's happening from years and years, and I have been noticed, and I am teaching my students how to escape these traps and trade in the real direction and follow the market maker footprint. See, I showed you how the market is trapping both the smart money people and indicator people and retail traders. See, here in this case, the smart money people are wiped off at this selling order block, and again they wiped off in the buying order block. I will show many examples, many examples. Can you see? Here the trend is going up, right? Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. See, after giving this break of the structure, many smart money people will look it as a break of the structure. Many smart money people will look it as a break of the structure, and they will uh, take these order blocks to play. See what happened. See this violent reaction, uh, and it gave some reaction here, but it didn't touch it. It took this liquidity also. See this push. This was the real push. This was the real push. This is our trade. This is our trade. Simple trade. See again, this is what I am calling it as AMD cycle. This is the accumulation of orders, accumulation in a range, and this is the high of the range and this is the low of the range. After high of the range with a speedy aggression, it means after this body closure, how many millions of retail orders came here. So the banks took liquidity. The objective of the banks completed. So there is no reason for the price to here. So we target this liquidity here, this liquidity here. Simple trade, simple trade. This is how we play from liquidity pool to liquidity pool. Yeah, bro. I can show you the minute time frame and second time frame delivery also. Same delivery happens from daily time frame to 1 minute time frame. Everything is same, but the time fractal is different. This is called the fractality of the market. I can show you how I will manage to make 30 or 20 or every day by ping ponging this stuff. This stuff, it will take some years to practice. Always view the chart patterns as the liquidity. If you use the chart patterns like this and you entered the break of the structure, you are giving free money to the type of traders like me and banks. This is always the fake reaction created by the banks. Observe these reactions. It will happen always. It will happen always. The chart patterns are fake. I gave the gold information you need. Go and backtest it and comment the video again. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. I will consistently uploading this stuff to you guys to be profitable in the markets. Okay, have a good day guys. Bye.